The Samsung Galaxy S10 release date has been confirmed as March 8 by Samsung, on its own website. The Samsung S10 to have a fresh-looking all-screen display with less bezel at the top. Not only that, it may have punch-hole front-facing camera embedded in the screen's top right corner. The Samsung Galaxy S10 mobile features a 6.1 inches, 15.49 centimeters, display with a screen resolution of 1440 by 3040 pixels and runs on Android v9.0 by operating system. The device is powered by octa-core, Cortex-A75 plus quad-core, Cortex-A55 processor paired with 6 GB of RAM. As far as the battery is concerned, it has 3400 mAh. Over that, as far as the rear camera is concerned, this mobile has a 12MP plus 16MP plus 12MP camera. Other sensors include light sensor, proximity sensor, accelerometer, barometer, compass, gyroscope. So, does it have a fingerprint sensor? Yes, it does. For graphical performance that can make games run smoothly, this phone has got a Mali G76 MP12 GPU. Onboard storage is at 128 GB with the option to expand the memory by up to 400 GB. Design is one of the most important factors when it comes to mobiles. This phone is 7.8mm slim and weighs 157 grams. After all, the Galaxy S10 is Samsung's 10th anniversary Android phone, so no wonder there's a bit of a fuss around it. In the US, then you'll likely get the recently announced Snapdragon 855. This is a 7nm chipset, which is smaller and likely both more powerful and more efficient than the Snapdragon 845 found in many of 2018's flagships. It's also smaller than the Exynos 9820. So now it's confirmed that Samsung S10 will come with Snapdragon 855 similar Exynos 9820. Now we all want to know the price. Samsung Galaxy S10 price expected to rise to $779, £799. One Samsung Galaxy S10 price suggests the cost of the handset will rise to £799, around $779. 1,400 Australian dollars, for the 128 GB variant and £999 for 512 GB of storage. We've said already that we want a new design from the Galaxy S10, but what we'd really like is a complete absence of bezels. As in no notch either, just an all-screen front. We're not expecting this, not least because it would presumably mean building the camera and sensors into the screen, but it's possible and would surely be less ambitious than a foldable phone, which we might also get from Samsung in 2019. So here's the confirmed spaces of Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus. If you enjoy it, hit the like button, share your comment below, and don't forget to hit the red button, I mean subscribe button. Bye bye.